It will do him off the thing.
The restaurant okay, he's just blowing his head off. Yeah. Put his head out and keep it.
Yeah. Put him out.
He's got flash powder up his arse.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's going to be quite slow. The smoke coming out of his bum. Bang!
Surely got to go now.
Dad, move.
I'd have thought that would have gone by now.
Wow. Just, if it doesn't go, wait till the whole penny burns out.
It's quite good, isn't it?
I still think he's going to put it out when just his head was burned.
Well, we'll do another one. Do that to it. Will that do? Is that enough?
No.
Wow!
It's burnt.
Chucky or something.
Serious.
What was the like party popper thing that come out?
That was what was in the other one. It said we took the streamers out the other one. You'll have to pay.
Should we have a look at his face?
Oh. Wow. That was his Walker's t-shirt.
It's like only got a leg left, really.
His t-shirt's gone. No, his other leg's bent up behind him.